friends, this is Janine Pettit, founder of Girl Camper. I am at my seasonal site on the most gorgeous day. It's halftime. Everybody's run home to get something to eat and drink, and I am having a cup of coffee. So I want to share with you something I've been making for years, but I made a little improvement in it that's made it even better. So I like a pot of coffee, not a pot, a cup of coffee in the afternoon every once in a while. And I have been making these coffee bags. They're basically tea bags, but with coffee in them. This way, when I want a nice, fresh brewed cup of coffee, but I don't want to make a whole pot and clean it, I got these ready to go. I make them. I put them in a Ziploc bag. So here's how I make them. The little Lita coffee filters. Use number 2. One is too small. The other ones are too big. Ask me how I know. So I fill up these with 1 or 2 tablespoons. Now, I go a little heavy on it because it takes a while to brew and steep in here, 4 or 5 minutes. So I make it heavier than I normally would. And I get those all set up ahead of time. And then for years, I made these with string tied on them. But guess what? When you put them in the coffee cup and you pour water on them, they float to the top. So I switched over to this Just Craft copper wire. Any craft store has them. I take a string of that and I make a little loop. Match up the ends and then I twist the bottom of these because I don't want any sharp edges. And basically, I create a little wire loop there with a little holder on the end. So I got my coffee. I push the sides in. I fold them together and then I twist. And this paper is very forgiving. It's very, very strong. And then I take my wire loop and I put it on there and I cinch it real tight and I give it a good twist. I keep these in a Ziploc bag, and then on a day like today when I just want a cup of coffee, I can just grab one and it's ready to go. But throw them in your backpack, take them on a hike. If you like a specific brand of coffee and you have a bag of these in your camper or your truck, whatever you're towing with, when you go into a rest stop, you could put this in a cup of hot water and have the coffee that you want instead of what they have to offer. So I put that in my favorite thermal mug. Best mom ever. Thank you, Stephen. Best son ever. And then I push that down, and guess what? Now it's holding my coffee bag down in the bottom of the cup. Fill that up. See that steam coming out? This will be nice and hot. Now this is going to have to steep for 4 or 5 minutes here. But I fill that up, and then to keep the heat in and keep that bag down, I put my lid on. And in about 4 or 5 minutes, I'm going to have a great cup of coffee. I'm not going to have to clean a whole coffee pot or throw away a bunch of leftover coffee. And when you're at the campground, there's no wrong way to enjoy a cup of coffee.